Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you so much. I know you're gonna miss me when I go to school, but don't miss me too much because I'm not gonna be that far, and I'm probably gonna call you guys every day with a whole bunch of questions. Love you.
Hey Dad, happy Father's Day and happy early birthday to you. Dad, you are the most passionate person that I know. You love your girls and we love you right back. So thankful to have you as my dad and as someone that has been so influential in my life. I hope that you enjoy your day. I hope that you are having a blast as you're watching this video on your special days. And I love you. I'll see you soon.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you so much. And I'm so lucky to have a dad like you. You are, of course, my father and my bestie. And I love you for the rest of my life and yours.
Hi, honey. Let me start by saying Happy Father's Day. And, I've been saying Happy Father's Day to you for a long time. We have been in this thing together for a while. And you are my friend, my lover, my business partner, my travel buddy, my confidant, my supporter, and my everything. I love you so much. I'm so excited that we are at a point now where we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor because we've had a really fun ride, but man, we've got so much more to do. So thank you for helping me have 3 beautiful daughters. Thank you for being their father, their king, their leader, and the head of this household. Happy Father's Day, honey.